We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning, students. In my previous lecture, we had studied about how to encode the given sequence using this LZ77 approach. Now, today we are going to learn the LZ77 decoding example of dynamic dictionary technique. In that, here is the example. Decode the following sequence of triples 00C of C, 00C of A, 00C of B like this, and the window size is 13 and look ahead buffer size is 6. In our example, the triples, the window size and look ahead buffer size is already given. From look ahead buffer size, window size and search buffer size, any two size are given in our example. Now, in our first we take first triple 00C of A. In that, here our offset is 0, our length of match is 0 and code word is C of C. So here the offset and length of match both are 0. So write down the symbol C into the search buffer here. Same as in our next triples, the offset is 0. Then our length of match is 0 and code word is C of A. In that offset and length of match both are 0. So write down the A into the search buffer here. Here symbol A. Now our next triple is this 00C of B. So in that, this is our look ahead buffer and this is our search buffer. In that, the offset is 0, length of match is 0 and the code word is C of B. Here also the length of match and offset both are 0. So write down the symbol B into the search buffer here. Same as in next triple, our next is 00C of R. In that, the offset and length of match both are 0. So write down the symbol R. Here is the code word is C of R. So the symbol R, write down that symbol R into the search buffer here. Okay. So in our next triples, see here. Here the offset is 3, length of match is 1 and our code word is C of C. So here offset is what? 3. So what is offset? Offset is the distance from look ahead buffer to the search pointer, and here length of match is 1 means number of match. Okay. So in that, here our offset is this 1, 2 and 3. Our offset is what? 3. At this point, the search pointer point out that symbol A. Now, our next length of match is 1. So, because of length of match is 1, we copy one symbol which is point out here. We copy that symbol A from search buffer to the look ahead buffer. So write down that A here, and then our next code word is C of C. C. Sorry. Our code word is C of C. So write down that C into the look ahead buffer. Now move that symbol A and C into the search buffer, because here we use the sliding window concept, because the LZ77 is also called as a sliding window. So move that symbols A and C into the search buffer. After move that symbols from look ahead buffer to the search buffer, we get the sequence like this. Okay, here the symbol A and C stored here. Then here our offset is what? 2. Length of match is what? 1. And our code word is C of D. So our offset is 2. Okay. So here 1 and 2. So our search pointer is point out the symbol A, and the length of match is 1. Because the length of match is 1, we copy the symbol A from search buffer to the look ahead buffer. See here, we copy that symbol A into the look ahead buffer. Okay, then our code word is what? C of D. So write down that symbol D here. Okay, and then after move that symbol A and D into the search buffer. So after move that symbols into the search buffer, we get the sequence like this. But here the size of search buffer is 7. So only 7 symbols are stored in search buffer. So we write down the symbol C out of this search buffer. So we move that symbol A and D from lookup buffer to the search buffer here. Now next, the offset is 7. The length of match is 4 and our code word is C of R. So our offset is 7. So for that the search pointer is point out the symbol A here, because the offset is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the length of match is 4. So we copy the 4 symbol from the search buffer to the look ahead buffer. So see here, we copy the symbol A into the look ahead buffer, then copy symbol B from search buffer to the look ahead buffer, then copy symbol R from search buffer to the look ahead buffer, then copy the symbol A in the look ahead buffer. We copy the 4 symbols from search buffer to the look ahead buffer. Now our code word is what? C of R. So write down the symbol R here. Then move that symbols A, B, R, A, R into the search buffer. After move that symbols, we get the sequence like this. We move the symbols this A, B, R, A, R and write down the remaining symbols here C, A, B, R, A, C. Okay, because the search buffer size is 7. Now our next triple, in that the offset is 3, length of match is 5 and code word is C of D. So our offset is 3. Okay, then here we point out the search pointer on symbol R, because the offset is 3, 1, 2 and 3. Here we match, the length of match is what? 5. So copy the 5 symbols from search buffer to the look ahead buffer. So we copy that symbol A from search buffer to the look ahead buffer. See here, copy that symbol R from search buffer to the look ahead buffer, then copy that symbol A into the look ahead buffer, then copy that symbol R into the look ahead buffer. See here, we have to copy the 5 symbols. So our search pointer moves next and our search pointer point out the next symbol R, which is this, and copy that symbol R here and then copy that symbol A here. So we copy the 5 symbols into the look ahead buffer. Then our code word is C of D. So write down that D here and after move that symbols R, A, R, R, A, D into the search buffer, we get the sequence like this. C, A, B, R, A, C A D A B R A R R A R R A D. I hope you understand this concept and you like my video. Thank you. Thank you very much.